Well, the market under pressure for most of the session, even getting a little bit more to the downside this hour. But a couple of trends in place for the entire week. One has been these reopening stocks. They continue to come on real strong. And financials, they've extended their lead as the best performing sector of the year. Of course, there are a lot of nail biting going on, but very little panic. What should you be doing right now? I want to bring in Nicholas Wealth Management President David Nicholas. I've seen a million reasons. Today alone, I've seen charts, reports, David, suggesting that the market probably is due for a pullback, right? Margin debt is starting to come down. We've seen less trucking tonnage. I mean, whatever kind of metric you can imagine, it's out there. So what do you see here that, I think it's always a mistake to be too premature, but what are you bracing for?
Yeah, I mean, it's hard not to agree with that, Charles. I mean, if we just see what's happening in Afghanistan, it's gross incompetence on display. There's a growing sense by the American people that the administration's out of touch, out of control with the situation. That adds geopolitical risk. But the market continues to trend higher. And I think this is a market that wants to go higher. But remember, this is a market that is being supported by trillions of dollars of deficit spending. It's a market that's also being supported by the anticipation of another $3 to $4 trillion coming down the road. So you don't pour that gasoline on this market and not get a market that's supported. So in spite of all the things that we see, we've got some really good legs under this market, Charles.